A lot of users add charts or graphs, as they are sometimes called, to their slideshows to better illustrate difficult information in an easy-to-understand format for the viewers. With the powerful new charting capabilities of PowerPoint 97, we can build and modify dramatic charts using the new chart types, graphic effects, and chart editing tools. To create the chart, we'll place the mouse pointer in the center of the chart outline box, and then we'll double-click the mouse button. Notice that a new set of commands now appears at the top of the screen in the standard toolbar and in the formatting toolbar as well. Also, in the presentation window is the Dealing with Anxiety datasheet dialog box, which is used just like a spreadsheet in any other application. The information that is inserted into the datasheet is what PowerPoint will use to create the chart. To insert the chart into the PowerPoint slide, simply click the Close button in the upper right corner of the datasheet, and the chart has been created. Click anywhere outside the chart to deselect it. To edit the chart, we'll first double-click the chart to select it. Click View in the menu bar and select the Datasheet option. Once again, we see the datasheet on the screen as well as the tools which apply to the datasheet. We'll first select the number 1 cell by pointing and clicking with the mouse pointer. Then we'll press the Delete key and type in Practice. Next, let's move the cell outline box to the number 2 cell by pressing the down arrow key. Then we'll press the Delete key again and type Organize. Second, using the mouse pointer, we'll place the cell outline box in cell A to insert some additional chart information. Then we'll press the Delete key and type in 1 hour. Next, using the right arrow button, we'll move to cell B and type in 2 hours. In cell C, we'll type in 3 hours. And in cell D, we'll type in 4 hours. Third, using the mouse pointer, we'll place the insertion point in cell A1 to insert the data information. Then we'll press the Delete key and enter the number 35. Using the Tab key, we'll move to cell B1 and enter the number 58. In cell C1, we'll enter 74. And in cell D1, we'll enter 91. Next, with the mouse pointer, let's move to cell A2, press the Delete key, and enter number 22. Then, using the Tab key, we'll move to cell B2 and enter the number 43. In cell C2, we'll enter 85. And in cell D2, we'll enter 99. Finally, we'll need to remove the extra row of information that we won't be using in this chart. Let's place the mouse pointer on the row 3 heading. Then highlight the entire row by clicking on the mouse button, and then press the Delete key to erase all of the information. Now, last but not least, we'll select the Close box to exit the Datasheet dialog box and create the chart. The current bar chart format is just one way to view the information that we have placed in the datasheet. PowerPoint 97 includes many built-in tools to create completely new chart types. Now users have even more ways to report their data by using such things as three-dimensional cylinders, pyramids, and cone shapes. In order to change the type of chart we are using, we can use the new Chart Type command. With the chart still highlighted on the side, let's click on the Chart Type down arrow button. In this pull-down menu, we can choose one of the many different chart types. Many of these chart types will be familiar to the people who have used a previous version of PowerPoint, and many of these chart types will not be familiar. So that we can see how each of these options will affect our chart, let's tear off the Chart Type menu and place it in the presentation window. Now we'll be able to select the different options without having to reopen the Chart Type pull-down menu. In the Chart Type dialog box, we can choose to create an area chart, a 3D area chart, a 3D surface chart, a bar chart, a 3D bar chart, a radar chart, a column chart, a 3D column chart, a bubble chart, a line chart, a 3D line chart, an XY scatter chart, a pie chart, a 3D pie chart, a donut chart, a 3D cylinder chart, a 3D cone chart, or a 3D pyramid chart. These new chart types provide a clear graphical comparison of the values used in creating a chart, and they help make the charts more appealing. We'll use the final selection to create a 3D pyramid chart. Then we can click on the Close box to remove the Chart Type dialog box from the screen.